gigamit nila because what happened, yeah, against me. Because this happened during the Udet, si Bea Gomez magud to Miss Universe, nag-fundraising siya that night, good. And then she wanted to send funds here, and then ang Miss Universe Foundation. But wala man ni kuan na tugod, wala ni GCash, nagubod man kayo white currency or something. So diingon sila nga amo nilang ipada diri through my personal. Na at that time mudi ni wa mi license sa DSWD, I think, the time to receive funds, but gubot man gud ito. So it passed through me only a few thousands, and I nahasol man gali ko ato kay I have to give it back sa bank account sa Simply Share, but everything was documented because we have to report back to Miss Universe Foundation kung sa imong gibuhat, asa na imong gigasto, because they will ask for it. So everything was documented and accounted for. In fact, walay reklamo ang Miss Universe Foundation.
Niya na-dismiss ba?
Yes, the case was dismissed. Of course, baseless because we were given, it was DSWD who sued us, and yet that same year, DSWD gave us an award. Because we were the first one who went out and gave food. The provincial government took them 2 weeks to be able to give food, but kami, ang Simply Share, right away, second day, nang hatag namin because I predicted it's going to be really bad. So the day or 2 days before Udet, I was already telling all my partners in Manila, please direct aid to Cebu, this is going to be very bad. And true enough, right, ang Navy, akong partner, so nag-atang na sila dito sa Manila for the shipment. So that's why niabutin ang tabang na to the day after Udet. And yet, I was sued. But anyway, it was dismissed, you know. All's well that ends well.
When na-dismiss to?
I think a few months ago, siguro, late last year, I dismissed. We got a copy, no, we published it lang gani.
Gov, how's our relationship with DSWD karon?
We're okay. I mean, the RD now was the same one who sued me, you know. So I don't know if siguro nasa siguro siya na I can feel na sa iba siya. But wala na lang to, you know, it's okay. I think she was also pressured by some people up there. Yeah. Let bygones be bygones na lang kay parehamin may goal. They want to help. We want to help also. So, na lang ko nagkuha na. Tanong baling, ana.
Uban ang mga sakop sa media, gibisita ni People's Governor Pamela Pambaricuatro ang bodega sa Simply Share Foundation na iyang gitukod ni adtong 2015. Ang Simply Share Foundation nailhan isip unang food bank sa Visayas. Gikan sa yanong lang ang feeding program, nagmalambuon ang foundation ug nahimong kauban sa mga international organization sama sa Global Food Banking Network ug Rise Against Hunger. Gani, adunay mga gusto gub-on ang imahen sa Simply Share Foundation, apan gibasura sa prosecutor's office ang mga pasangin. Sa bagong liderato ni Governor Pambaricuatro, iyang giduso ang food banking aron mapalig-on ang mga feeding program sa mga eskwelahan. Ang food banking dako og ikatabang sa lalawigan sa Subo sa mga feeding program sa mga eskwelahan. Ako si Ana Cumiso, sa bagong liderato Manginlabot, magpakabana tungod kay ato ang Subo.